Hey Jay, it's Mark Perigin at Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2007 Cobalt SS supercharged with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder. It's got the 5-speed manual transmission. Give you a shot of the engine compartment. Got a front spoiler, front fog lamps, 18-inch wheels. Give you a shot of the wheels here and also tire condition. Has tinted privacy glass, the sunroof, rear spoiler, four-wheel disc and four-wheel ABS. It's got keyless entry, power windows and locks, power mirrors, Pioneer premium sound system, perforated leather seats with the SS badging. Give you a shot of the bolster here. The seats look really good. And the sill. There's a hole in the driver's side floor mat. Cruise control, information center, driver information center with things like trip odometers, oil quality, also coolant temperature. Steering wheel controls for the stereo. It's got the boost gauge, OnStar, a 6-disc CD changer, AM, FM, and XM, heated seats, air conditioning, again 5-speed manual transmission. Shot of the back seat. Doesn't look like anybody's even sat back here. It's in really good shape. Carpet and rear mats are excellent. Trunk space, the cargo area here, the back seats do fold down. There is a split. Subwoofer in the trunk. Right rear tire and wheel. right tire and wheel. Well, there you go, Jay. It's a beauty. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-866-2138 or visit us on the web at www.taylorandsonchevy.com.